You're budgeting wrong and it's why you're still broke. Let me show you what actually works. Most people think budgeting means tracking every dollar they spend, writing down their coffee, logging their groceries, reviewing it all at the end of the month. That's not budgeting. That's a financial autopsy. You're just documenting the damage after it's already done. And then you wonder why nothing changes, why you're still broke, why the savings account stays empty. Here's the 3-step method that actually works. Step 1. Know your real surplus. That's your income, minus every single fixed expense. Rent, utilities, subscriptions, insurance. Everything that leaves your account, whether you think about it or not. Most people have never calculated this number. They just guess. And guessing is why they're broke. Step 2. Assign every surplus dollar a job before the month starts, not after. Before. Your emergency fund gets this much. Your debt gets this much. Your fund money gets this much. When money has a destination, it stops disappearing. Step 3. This is the game changer. Simulate your future before you live it. What happens if rent goes up $200? What if you start a side hustle? What if you finally get that raise? Most budgets can't answer these questions. You just wait and hope. But what if you could see the outcome before making the decision? That's what the Finance Reset Toolkit does. It's a complete budget system with an interactive web app. You enter your numbers once, it calculates your surplus. Then you simulate life changes and watch your savings goals respond in real time. Toggle a rent increase. See the impact. Add a side hustle. Watch your debt payoff date move closer. This isn't tracking the past. This is planning the future. People using this system stopped guessing and started building. They see their progress. They know exactly when they'll hit their goals. They're not stressed anymore because they planned for everything before it happened. If you're ready to stop budgeting backwards, comment reset below or tap the link in my bio to get the Finance Reset Toolkit. Stop doing autopsies on your money. Start building your future. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.